She moves so bad.
Alright, we're here, Angry Bird, in a little park, and there are 13 caches out here. Come on, you can't run around your parking lot. Let's see. There you go. I don't know if you can see that. 13 caches at this park. So, I don't know how many of them I'm going to get with an Angry Bird. So, we'll give this a try. There's one pretty close from here. I'm going to try and get right now. Alright, we're here. We found one of the caches. Oh, a birdhouse. Thought it really was a birdhouse, but there's no hole in it. That's pretty neat. Let's get this thing down. I think it goes down. Yeah, there we go. Magnets. And that's really neat. Alright. It's Angry Bird trying to pick what toy she wants. Just found a quick one in a tree. Muggles around here, so I didn't get a chance to film it. Alright, come on, we're getting down here. Angry Bird wants to play on the hill. And we're off to another one. Alright, come on, run back up. Got it. We're gonna go ahead and find this log and see what's in here, and we'll be back.